Hey, this is a little preview. So behind me you can see a little bit of Puerto Rico, what you're gonna see soon. I'll tell you what you're gonna see though. You're gonna see me driving the car in the country roads and just kind of, I'm trying to get to UTUADO. So you're gonna see the way the houses look, the streets, the trees, the winding roads, the narrowness of the roads. And you're also gonna see the town itself. So near the latter half of the video, we'll be driving around and kind of looking at the businesses and just kind of showing you what it looks like. So anyways, without further ado, let's get into the video and you can see what the driving looks like. Puerto Rico 2024.
I'm in Puerto Rico, winding roads. Let me show you a slice of Puerto Rico.
Okay, so we are in Puerto Rico and I'm on Highway 146, 146. So I'll put a map up so you can see exactly where I'm at. And what we're doing is going to UTUADO. I'm just gonna capture a little slice of Puerto Rico for you. And I'm also going to kind of talk about what I've experienced so far and some of my observations already. So so let's and we're kind of on these kind of cool mountain roads, which is one of the things I was really looking forward to. So I'm going to be on this for an hour, but I'll just film and kind of give you a little bit of introduction to Puerto Rico, and I'm going to be speaking in English, of course, and I'll give you my perspective as a person who had never been to Puerto Rico before, and I'm just going to give you man, it's so beautiful here. Okay, anyways, stay tuned. These narrow roads. So pretty cool. So let me see, I'm gonna start from the beginning. So I am from the mainland United States, but I've been living abroad for a long time. So so when I've coming to Puerto Rico, I've been wanting to come here for quite a while and just kind of see what it was like. And oh, check out these roads. This is just amazing. So one of the things that I've noticed first off is I always had the expectation or the assumption that it would probably be half English, half Spanish, leaning towards more Spanish. And then I heard when the interior, wow, these roads are really narrow. I heard once you get into this part, it's all Spanish. And I guess that's basically true. But there's two observations that I've noticed. Is one, I just went to a fast food restaurant, and I know I'm supposed to get Puerto Rican food, and I will, but I also live abroad, so I live in China, basically, Macau in China. So so there's some American food that I haven't seen in a while, so I saw Arby's and I went there, and the whole menu was different, and it's all in Spanish. And I got all different kinds of foods, but then I could still order my classic roast beef sandwich, but it was it didn't taste the same. They kind of like made it on the fly. It was funny. But anyways, I don't want to get on that because people aren't probably that interested. But the main thing is that it is kind of like a different culture, different planet in a way. For you know, so I thought that was going to be exactly the same, and it wasn't. I wish I would have filmed it. I did not. But take my word, everything was like that. But real good people here for sure. And I also wanted to mention about the radio stations. So I flipped on the radio stations, and it's pretty much all Spanish. So there's some songs that are in English, but all the talk radio is all in Spanish. And I thought maybe there might be, I don't know, like there might be some in English, but I didn't see any. Well, it's like we're gonna get some rain. But anyways, I'm in the interior of Puerto Rico, and it is pretty beautiful. Just all these little winding roads and these homes up in the hills and such. Okay, so maybe what I'll do is I'm gonna pause for a while and deal with the rain, but at least you're getting a little bit of a taste for it. And I'm gonna be filming around UTUADO later, and I think that this is what most of this road is gonna look like. Kind of this windy, cool road with all these houses all up and down it. If I don't film more, I'll regret it. So yeah, actually we have all these kind of cool little curves everywhere. And what I like about this is all these homes, they hug the road, and they all have views usually, not always, but a lot of spots they'll overlook because we're kind of interweaving through the mountain. There's a store right there. So they have access to some stores that are mixed in here. So anyways, kind of getting a feel for it anyways. Puerto Rico. There's ones that overlook. So now you can see how they overlook the mountainsides. And I think that these up on the hills to the right would as well. Yeah, really amazing. The basketball court right there. And we're kind of coming into a community here. Let me see. I'm not sure which way I'm supposed to go. I guess I'll follow these ones. So anyways, we're gonna just kind of want to catch you a little bit along the way. So we basically have pretty much all winding roads all the way throughout, and all these little homes that just hug the street on the sides. Okay. We'll do a side view. So this one you can see the sides, and that way you can see all the views. So people who would live anywhere on these back roads in Puerto Rico would have these amazing views into the valley, I guess you call it. Looks like there's even some little street roads that go down into them as well. Yeah, real nice. Oh yeah, there we go. On our way to UTUADO. Oh, we gotta. That's kind of cool. Windy, curvy roads. Let's kind of capture something, Phil. Maybe my phone. But yeah, these curvy roads just kind of amazing. Got the rain coming down now. Still heading to UTUADO. So mountains up ahead, everywhere, all around us. You can see a mountain thing through the trees. These beautiful flowers are in bloom, and we're coming up to an opening right here on a rainy day, heading towards UTUADO, Puerto Rico. Those mountains, you kind of get really turned around a little bit, and then so I'm now on a major road called 10. It goes north to south, so I kind of meandered through those mountains, and I guess I didn't really need to. I could have been on this one, which is a beautiful, beautiful road. But yeah, we're still heading towards UTUADO. Yeah, they carved this right through the mountains. It's stunning. So yeah, this is a major thoroughfare right here, north to south. So you can see the rocks are kind of, looks like they had to do some work to get some nice straight roads that go through here like this. Well done, amazing. On our way to UTUADO, Puerto Rico. Okay, I just drove through UTUADO and kind of got up in this mountain area, and we're gonna drive back down into UTUADO as well. Okay, so now we're in the little streets of UTUADO. Very narrow streets. Let's see, I don't know if I can go. I have to wait for that person a little bit, but anyways. Very, very narrow. Very interesting. There we go. You know, these kind of cool looking streets everywhere. Basta Pizza. So now we're in UTUADO. Huh. They got all kinds of interesting stuff around here. I guess the best thing to do would be to find somewhere to park. Wish me luck on that one. UTUADO. So kind of driving around a little bit, but at least get some good views of UTUADO. Let me see this car. Looks like I could go this way. Okay. So anyways, that's UTUADO.